Hi! Welcome to my channel. My name is Rayna and I'm a cosplay. And today I'm going to show you how to do cosplay makeup for Nel from Bleach, step by step. Let's start. Before I start doing my makeup, I have to block my brows. For this, I'm taking a glue stick and gluing my hairs up. And then I'm also getting rid of all of this excess glue with a makeup remover. When the glue dries completely, I'm taking a full coverage foundation and applying it with a beauty blender. And I'm also applying the foundation over my brows. As you can see, the foundation alone was not enough to cover my eyebrows, so I'm taking a full coverage concealer and covering my brows even further. Looks a bit scary, doesn't it? Now that my brows are fully covered, I'm taking a flat brush, dipping into light turquoise eyeshadow that's matching my wig, and I'm drawing new brows for myself. Unfortunately, I don't have a darker shade of turquoise, so I have no choice but to use the dark green to darken up my new eyebrows. What's that? Christ, it's the glue! Oh no, oh no. Next, I'm taking this flat angled brush, dipping into the dark blue and darkening up the lower edges of my brows. Moving on to eye makeup. I'm using concealer as the base for the eyeshadow and also to curve out the lower edge of my brow. Next, I'll need 3 shades of brown eyeshadow, and first of all I'm taking the light shade of brown or beige and putting it directly under my eyebrows and also extending it a bit towards my nose, like this. Next, I'm taking the medium shade on a blending brush and putting it under the light shade, and I'm also gently blending them together and then slightly extending the color towards my nose. Next, I'm taking the dark shade of brown, putting it in my crease and blending it with the medium shade. So basically I'm creating a gradient from light brown to dark brown. Next, I'm taking concealer again and cutting the crease. Next, I'm taking the light colored eyeshadow and putting it on top of the concealer. Next, I'm also taking the highlighter and putting it in the inner corner of my eye. Pretty useful.
Now, before using the eyeliner on my lower lash line, I will glue the false lashes.
I will leave some space below my lower lash line, right here. So I'm using the eyeliner not directly below my lower lash line, but slightly, maybe a couple of millimeters lower. And then I'm going to fill in the space with the white liner. And I'm also going to extend this line a bit, but just a bit. I don't want to connect these 2 lines. And then I'm also going to draw the lower lashes, like this. It's better to draw them in one stroke. Oh no! Okay. Oh, Looks pretty nice actually, with the double lash. Okay, I'll take a different eyeliner. Oh no, now it's a triple lash. Okay, I tried. Well, actually it's fine. I will just add one more lash right here. Okay, it's fine. Turned out that my eyeliner works way better off camera. So that's my second eye. And now, as promised, I'm taking the white liner and filling in this space between my lower lash line and the eyeliner. Also using this eyeliner on my waterline, and I'm covering my lower lashes by simply painting over them. Next, I'm taking the mascara, covering the ends of lower lashes, just the ends, like this. So I'm not using it over the white eyeliner, it would be very strange. We're done with the eye makeup, and now I'm going to do the contouring. For this I'm taking just a bit of contour shade on this big fluffy brush, and I'm contouring my cheekbones, like this. Okay, I think it's fine. I'm not using blush today because I will have this pink facial mark later, and using blush would be way too much. And I'm also contouring my chin. Then I'm also taking a bit of contour shade on a much smaller brush and contouring my nose. And I'm gently blending the contour shade into my foundation. Then I'm also taking a bit of highlighter shade and putting it on the bridge of my nose. Now we've come to the most interesting part of this video, the facial mark. And there are two ways to draw it. First way is using the lip liner eyeshadow combo. Let's do it. So I'm going to show it on the left side of my face. First of all, I'm drawing the facial mark with a lip liner. Well, I'm using the lip pencil, but you can also take the lip liner, cream gel liner, or whatever you like. I will try to fill in all of this space as evenly as possible, which is quite difficult to say the least. Okay, I think my lip liner was too sharp. So I made it with the lip pencil only, and as you can see it's not super even. So I'm taking pink eyeshadow on a flat brush and placing it over the lip pencil. So that's the lip pencil eyeshadow combo, but it's not the only way. You can also use the concealer eyeshadow combo. Let me show you. For this I'm taking concealer on this flat brush and I'm drawing the shape. Okay, I'm trying to make it symmetrical. That's how it looks right now. And I'm taking this same pink eyeshadow and putting it on top of the concealer. So it's rather time consuming, so I'm just tapping with this brush like this. It's the best way to put the eyeshadow over the concealer. So I'm not sliding the brush, I'm just tapping. And it will probably take you at least 5 minutes to fill in all this space. And also you should be super careful along the edges, so try not to mess up the shape. As you can see, the colors don't quite match right now, and also the eyeshadow on this side is not quite even. That's why I'm taking a different eyeshadow and placing it on top of this one. So that's how it looks. The lip pencil eyeshadow combo is way easier and way faster to do, and it's quite beginner friendly, but I personally like the concealer eyeshadow combo way better. It's way more vibrant, and also the eyeshadow reflects the light very nicely, which I always appreciate. I would recommend you to try them both and see which one looks better for you. But it's extremely important to know that if your eyeshadow is well pigmented, you might end up with this after removing your makeup. Yeah. So the simple makeup remover will be not enough after the concealer eyeshadow combo. So you may have to remove your makeup more thoroughly, and we are talking Korean 10-step skincare routine kind of thoroughly. The first 4 steps specifically, which are oil cleanser, foam cleanser, exfoliation, toner. And even after this, you might still have some pink spots remaining on your face. But don't worry, they will come off in a day or 2. Since Nell is not wearing any lipstick, I'm going to do nude lips. Or rather, I wanted to do nude lips, but they turned out quite dark. In my opinion, pink or peach would work great as well, so feel free to experiment. At last, I'm going to use the setting spray. It will help to set this makeup to keep it in place for as long as possible, and it will also help to melt my foundation a bit to bring back some shine to my face, so it's not super matte like a mask. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, comment down below. Are you watching the new season of Bleach? I'm not. Maybe I should. And do you like it? I really want to know that. Subscribe to this channel if you like cosplay, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye!